What's going on YouTube? I'm Coach Fred Tagalog, and today I'm going to show you guys how I hook up my Delkin 3 suction cups and 2 extra suction cups and 2 straps just to make sure it doesn't come off the Delkin suction cups, and how I hook up the stick and my GoPro 360 camera. Here in the Philippines, it's not like it's in the US. Here it gets really hot, and the condition of it being hot at the same time being humid, I'm afraid that the suction cup will come off. Also, because before I move forward, the suction cups are made to work only when the temperature is not so cold or it's not so hot, and it has to be dry. Where here in the Philippines it gets really hot and it gets very humid, and it rains when you don't expect it to rain. It's just gonna rain. So let me show you how I put my stuff together. Okay, so this is the 3 suction cup by Delkin, and I got an extra suction cup here, and then I got this separate strap. So if you look up here, or down here I mean, there's only 1 suction cup on the top. So 1 suction cup on the top and then 2 on the bottom. This is the only way I can set it up where it's an angle backwards like this. And then I got the 2 suction cup like this with the extra strap to hold it. Just in case I lose this 3 or I lose the one on top, this 2 hopefully can hold it so it doesn't fall off. So this angle right here, okay, you gotta have the 1 suction cup on the top, 2 on the bottom, so you can get this angle like this. And the way I set it up too is I only extended 3, 1 on the bottom and then 2 on the top. You can see it, 2 sections, 1, 2, then 3 sections. Then I have the camera, the one with the monitor facing backwards. So in the US, they don't have that much lubak or bumpy roads. In the US, mostly all the pavement are smooth. So I don't experience a lot of bumpiness, or not that much in America. So I do still have the same setup in America, but I'm going like close to 100 miles an hour when I'm using my Camaro. That's 160 kilometers equivalent in the Philippines. Here in the Philippines, I'm probably doing maybe 60, no more than 80 kilometers in the side street. I haven't tried it in the freeway yet, but I know I'll do well on the freeway. But the freeway here is kind of bumpy, so they call it lubak. So far I don't have any problems with my setup, and trying to think the difference between here in the Philippines, here and also in America. So it's a smoother road in America. Here in the Philippines, bumpier, so that thing rocks left and right, up and down, and so on. And so far, I'm able to make videos with it, even with the bumpiness here in the Philippines. But you can see it on the videos. That you can see how bumpy it is. Oh yeah, one thing I forgot. I have an issue with the Delkin 3 cups, suction cups. The rod or the stick tends to like bend all the way down, and then if I mount it sideways, and then when I'm hitting the gas too hard, it will swing left and right. I'll show you what I'm talking about right now. Alright, this is what I'm talking about. As you can see here, I don't know if the camera can show, see there's like a slit here, so this rod can go left and right. I put this heavy duty clamp to help out tighten this section. so that this stick doesn't go left or right. I can choose to turn this around this way so that the stick can go forward or backwards. But with this clamp right here, it helps stabilize the stick from moving. So here in the Philippines, even though it's bumpy, my GoPro doesn't come off, and I have the 2 extra suction cups as a backup just in case it does come off. If I do, if the suction cup does come off because of the change of temperature or humidity, or maybe if it's raining, the 2 suction cup hopefully is another backup just to hold on to it. Enough time for me to be able to pull over and assess the situation. Yeah, that's about it. So I will try it on the freeway, but I know I'm not gonna have any issues in the freeway here in the Philippines, even though the freeway here is kind of bumpy. Because in the US, I would go 160 kilometers or 100 miles an hour. I don't have any issues with those cups. But see, the difference here, there in America, the temperature is pretty much stable. The temperature doesn't change that much, especially in California. Humidity is very low, and the road is smoother, so I can hit it like 160 kilometers, no problem. I haven't lost my GoPro yet. But here in the Philippines, this is my first time trying it, so I'm making vlogs so I can let you guys know how it works out over here. So I'll keep you guys updated. Alright, keep on watching my videos. Give me some subscribe, likes, and some comments, guys.